It's been in the...
Ooh, that looks like a cool one.
Yeah, it's a Geotrax.
Very cool. I haven't seen that.
Well, don't say it out loud. You'll spoil it for him.
Yeah,
No.
I'm kidding.
Here's the card. Thank you.
Oh, that's a cool one.
Thanks, Emma.
That's a really cool one.
Oh, wow. Who's that one from?
That's from Papa Del and Grandma Sue.
I like the train engine on that one.
I do too.
Yeah, a lot better than
Lily, can you have a seat, Lovey?
Blur.
Oh.
Lily is
Now the real fun
Lily is a
begins.
blur in every photo.
Look. Mommy's hair for me to pull.
I wonder why they put that on. I wonder why. I always have that on mine.
Thank you, Lily.
Yes, in the old days when we used to have real film, we were
Uh-huh.
very selective about our pictures.
I know, because you didn't want to waste a shot. Now it's okay to shoot 30 of one thing just to know that one of them will be a good one.
Exactly.
It's like